Now let's have a look at the male reproductive system, and we're going to start off here with the bladder. And these two tubes, that's the ureter, going up to the kidneys, and the urine is stored, of course, in the bladder. And over here you can see that there is a separate tube going out, down and out. So that's the bladder. The prostate gland. The prostate gland can be found beneath the bladder and is responsible for providing the semen with an appropriate pH and also nutrients. So it secretes a liquid which the sperm cells inside the semen need in order to survive. The vas deferens connects the testes and connects the testes with the urethra down here, and it carries the sperm cells up and out. And you can see over here that it's a pretty large tube, and the sperm cells travel all this distance. They are formed in the testes and have to be then transported out. The vas deferens is also sometimes referred to as the sperm duct. And during a so-called vasectomy or sterilization, the vas deferens is cut or tied so that the sperm cells are not able to go out. The erectile tissue, over here, only drawn on the top, but there's also erectile tissue on the lower side of the penis. And this erectile tissue is a spongy tissue which is able to fill with blood and to cause an erection of the penis. The testes, over here, colored in blue, produce the sperm cells and also the hormone testosterone. The urethra should not be confused with the ureter, which is up here. The urethra carries urine and also the semen out of the man's body. And over here, this structure over here is the last part of the large intestine, and over here the vertebrae of the backbone. And that was basically it. You have to be able to draw and label the male reproductive system. And I just see over here that I forgot the last one over here, this structure over here, and that's called the epididymis. And this is where the sperm cells mature and ripen. They are originally formed in the testes, but they mature over here in the epididymis before the vas deferens carries them out. Okay, so this was the male reproductive system.